What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy, Keep It Real, Andre, and I'm here. I'm heading to the gym because health is wealth. So I'm putting in that work right now, and then once I get back home, I'm gonna pick up the girls them. And we're gonna head to the park. So I'm just taking our time and not kill myself. Once I do it little by little. What's up, bro? Heading to the gym, you know?
Get that work done.
Yeah. That's what one of my tugs right is. But here, doing the right thing. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's the boy, Keep It Real, Andrae. Catching a few. Guys have to go heavy. Yes, sir. He's flexing on us. Yeah, do the one I just did. Front and the back. Hey, what's up, YouTube family? It's your boy Andrae, man. I'm here. Just finished workout. I'm heading back home right now. It was a good workout, I did 1 hour and about 10 minutes in the gym on my first day. So just going to go back home now, get something to eat, and then I'm gonna come back out and work out again later on in the afternoon. You know what I'm saying? So just I get a sweat. You can see the sweat, right? Yeah, I did a little workout, man. It was pretty good. So guys, I meet a gym partner. Yeah, great guy. I'm getting a workout, and Friday I'm gonna pay a trainer to give me 8 sessions. So I want to thank you guys for your love and support, man. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's the boy, Keep It Real, Andrae. I'm out.
Send yourself to the time it was Vibes Cartel, and you're in tune to Keep It Real with Andrae. Watch, like, subscribe, and share. I'm out.